record weird things at Disneyland that nobody else is looking at, but I promise there's always a reason behind it. Let's start out with one that most people probably already know, and that is the Golden Spike. This is not the geographical center of Disneyland, rather it's a survey marker to keep Main Street USA aligned with the castle. And there used to be a second one right about here. Next up, these swans are a tribute to the ones that used to be in the moat, though they don't allow the remote-controlled hobby boats anymore. Hopping over to Alice, you'll find a dandelion in the Golden Afternoon scene, which is a throwback to the one that used to be in the 1958 version. This goofy yodel is a throwback too, and it's only there because Claude just wanted to make us all laugh. Heading on down to Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, we have to make our way to the warehouse, because these falling barrels look an awful lot like the ones that were there in 1955. Over at Small World, this sign has some nods to Rolly Crump's Tower of the Four Winds, which was from the 1964 World's Fair. And these bones that you see at the end of Big Thunder are a nod to the ones that used to be on the Pack Mule ride. The design of the mountain itself was not only inspired by Bryce Canyon, but also by the shape of this petrified tree. Back over in Fantasyland, this clock always reminds me of the one that used to be on the Skyway Station, and I like how this old ticket booth used to be in a different location. And last but not least are these marble bases, which used to be drinking fountains on Main Street USA.